Welcome back friends. I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friend, in previous video, as you know that I have made one database on the name of users and I have made one table on the name of users underscore data. And I have inserted two data inside this table, one on the name of Noor and the second on the name of Zuhair. And in this video, friend, first of all, I will make a folder inside my Computerfever folder inside the htdocs, and so I open my computer and I go to G folder. I scroll it down and I shall go to XAMPP files and inside the htdocs and inside the Computerfever, and here I will make one new folder. So I click over new folder and I give it a name MySQLi underscore connection. And now I will open my Notepad++ and here I will make the HTML5 basic syntax, basic structure, explanation sign, doc type, space, HTML, and here I make the ones more HTML tag and I close the HTML, and now I make the head tag. I close the head here and inside it I shall make a title tag. Now I shall make a body tag. And I shall close the body tag here. So friend, now I shall save it. I press over save, and here inside the MySQLi connection I will give it the name index.php, and now I shall press save. So friend, this HTML basic structure have been made, and now I shall give a title to it, PHP, and MySQLi connection. Now I shall go Ctrl S to save, and now I shall go to my localhost and I open it, localhost / Computerfever / MySQLi underscore connection folder. Press enter. So friend, now you are watching that this is the title is being shown over here, PHP and MySQLi underscore connection. This title I gave here. Friend, now I shall make a form inside the body. So first I write the form tag, form start and form close. I shall use some attributes of form. First of all, action is equal to double quotes index.php, the same page which I made and saved inside the MySQL underscore connection. And now I use the method, write the method space method is equal to double quotes post. Its method will be post. Now I come under it and I write the h2 tag, heading 2, and I shall write the heading user registration form. Here I write the first title, username, column, and I make input tag, input, space type is equal to double quotes text. Its type will be text. Now I duplicate it. First I give it a name, because we use always name to call it in PHP, user underscore name. I make 2 BR tag for line break. Now I duplicate it 2 times more, and here I shall change it in name, user underscore email, and I shall also change it in name, user underscore email, because I shall call this name in PHP during the coding of PHP. And here I write user underscore, user password, and here I change it is type. In spite of text, it is type will be password, and I shall also change it is name, user underscore pass. I make one more input tag which will be used for submit button. It will be a submit button. Type, it is type will be type is equal to double call submit. Name, submit, and I shall give it a value is equal to double cars submit. Now value will be the text which will be shown on this button. So friend, now Control S to save, and I go to my browser, Chrome browser, and I refresh this page, and you are watching that this is the submit button, submit now, and this is the form, user registration form, and username, user email, user password. Everything which you will write will be written inside it. For example, I write here, you are watching that this is, and if I write here something, it will be ... due to this attribute, usage of password attribute, because I gave it the attribute password. So friend, in this video I have made this form. I delete all this dummy text. In next video I shall come back and I shall begin to work over PHP. I hope you would have understood this, because I have tried my best to explain it as good as possible. Allah Hafiz.